there we go. Maybe a saddle, Brandon. What the hell's going on?
Who has wood? I need wood. A lot of wood.
I dumped up all of my wood into the storage container.
There's no longer any more wood.
Well, if this fog will let up, I can go back out to the forest.
What is wrong with my guy? Why do I got this red circle? Or is it the pet?
Red circle, what do you mean?
True.
Oh, it's the pet when I get on him.
What?
He's not too fast. Why is he so slow?
Shift.
Does he have a lot of endurance?
Probably not.
No, he's good. Lasting a while, actually.
Grizz is here.
Wow, this thing's not even fucking going down. That's fucking cool.
Alright, where's Quesadilla?
I'm not sure. I'm gonna park homeboy right here, though.
Claim it, Grizz.
What do you mean?
Claim it, Curly.
Okay, cool.
Still says I'm the owner.
This is still pointless.
There, will that work?
Do you have everything in boxes now?
For the most part.
I'm gonna grab me some more wood.
What do you guys need?
Wood,
Wood. Lots of it.
thatch.
How much wood for the wood tip? That.
Yep.
Quesadilla got stuck on the house.
I wish you would have told me.
Why?
I had like
Good job,
1500 on that stag.
Hey, you put these boxes the wrong way. Brandon.
What?
He wanted the boxes facing the other direction so you could put them right next to each other and you could fit more inside the house.
What are you talking about?
Huh?
No, this is temporary. This box?
Oh, okay. I was just saying, these are the ones like right here. He wanted these facing this way that I'm walking, like this, so you could put them next to each other and you'd be able to fit more in.
Well, he can do that when he gets on. Right now,
I was
we need
just saying.
something to sort with. Dude, I got GPS. I didn't even know I had that.
Are you guys using these berries for food?
Fuck, I need like one wood. Do you have one wood?
It's the storage.
Just need to repair my torch. There you go. Did you make a pestle by chance or no?
I did.
Oh, you did?
Yep. Should be in there.
Do you need walls, or what do you need?
I need one more wall.
And then
There's a guy on me.
What? What's on you?
Diplo. Or Edilo.
Silo.
I can't see anything in the dark.
You go out left? Whoa, what the hell happened? Where'd all these boxes come from?
Berries.
Was that? Huh?
They're berries.
That was where Princess was.
She
She
died.
died?
What'd you do, man?
I didn't do nothing. Yeah, I was dropped by Princess, man. I hope she didn't die. Fucking Dark's gonna be pissed.
Oh, I think Grizz has her.
Grizz, you got Princess? You make her drop all those berries?
Yeah.
Why'd you do that? That's a waste of berries, sir.
Give you more. You guys need wood, so you need the space. She only eats 100. It means like a stack of 100 of tomato. How much staff do you need?
Not as much as I need wood, but I need both.
Okay.
Oh, my axe just broke, so I'm heading back with what little wood I have. I need to build a new one real quick before I can go real quick.
If you get within base on making some narcotic, you get some XP.
Hey, the other base, man, it's just fucking, there's nothing around.
It was only temporary.
Yeah, I know, but this was, oh my god. Anybody wants some train stocks?
Any what?
Train shots. I have a bunch.
Won't necessarily need them right this second, but eventually.
Oh my god! I can make a fucking bow and arrow, bitches! I think it's kind of weird how you can look at everybody's inventory. It's ghetto. Yeah. I think it must steal Dark's metal pick. Yeah, Quesadella's back here. Hey, who's been riding my damn mount?
I'm organizing. So they're protected.
They're protecting?
So they're protecting each other and the base.
Oh. Alright, you got the log? You left one over here.
Yeah, yeah, I figured.
Grab case if you need to.
What the fuck? I told him to follow me. Oh, did you tell him to stay?
I did.
Where do you mean to put 'em?
Little like angry ankle biter dinosaurs.
How do you get them to protect each other? Is there like a command, or you just get them to stand next to each other?
Next to each other.
You trying to get Quesadillo out?
No, I'm just looking at him. He has a level on him.
Oh yeah, I need to check their food too. Shit.
And Queso's good. He's got like 13 meat on him. 17 now.
Who has the wood?
We got a little bit. We got like 32 on it right now because my axe broke.
Where is it at?
I'm gonna try following you.
Where are you at? I can bring it over to you.
I'm at the base. Oh, man. Exhausted.
What the fuck was that?
You got